How to connect Google Home app to iPhone or Android. Hey everybody, in this video I'll show you the procedure on how can you connect the TCL Google TV to Google Home app. In order to do it, so you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. Both the devices is connected with the same Wi-Fi network. Then you want to open the phone and go to Home app. Make sure that you've already installed it. So now that I've installed, now click on Get Started. Or you want to make sure that you've already logged in with your account as well. As you've done it, so you'll then be taken to this page. So here, what you want to do is go to devices first of all, and then click on the plus button. You want to make sure to go ahead and follow the prompt. This will likely involve choosing or adding a home and then scanning a QR code that appears on your TCL Google TV. Then you want to use your phone's camera or scan the QR code displayed on the TV screen and follow the prompt on the TV screen. Once setup is complete, you could see your TV listed in the Google Home app, and you could now control your TV and other smart home devices with your phone Google Home app. So this is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.